Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you 8 different unique flavors of Shrikhand. Shrikhand is a very famous Indian dessert recipe that's made during festive occasions. It's made with hung curd or chakka. In today's recipe, I will be showing how to create the hung curd using yogurt, as well as how to create these unique 8 flavors with the chakka. Without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. I'm using store-bought yogurt, so I'm using 3 cartons of 2 lbs each to make the hung curd, and one of them is a Greek yogurt. To hung the curd, I'm using a big pillow cover, so that's the opening of the pillow cover, and I'm going to take a deep bottom pot and just put the pillow cover in and drop in all the curd cartons in there. The curd is good, but the Greek yogurt kind of adds that creamy texture, so that's the reason I have used one of the cartons of Greek yogurt. To make the chakka or hung curd, we need to get rid of the whey, so notice that all that water needs to come out of the yogurt. So basically, with the help of a strainer and a small pot, I'm basically just going to put this overnight, and then by the next day you will notice that all the water has kind of come out. So let's open and check. It's been sitting that for about 8 hours or so. So notice now the change. It's pretty thick and all the water is out of it. The hung curd or chakka is now ready. Here I have just transferred the chakka to a big bowl, and here I have 4 to 5 cups of powdered sugar. Add this powdered sugar little by little, and with the help of a hand blender just mix it. Looking for a very fine consistency, so keep doing that until you get a really nice and very fine paste. So don't try and add everything together, just little by little in 3 to 4 portions. Add, mix. You can always add more powdered sugar if you like it more sweet. Here we have our base ready. First flavor I'm going to show is the mango flavor. So for that I'm using mango pulp, and I've taken about 3 tablespoons of base. So add about 4 to 5 teaspoons of pulp to the base that we just created. Mix it really well. It will take about 30 to 40 seconds to get that nice fine consistency. So here is our mango flavored Shrikhand ready. Let's transfer it to a serving bowl. Enjoy the homemade mango Shrikhand. The next flavor I have is the rose flavor. For that I'm using some rose syrup, and here I have some tutti frutti or dried fruits that we use in cakes. So just about add 2 to 3 teaspoons of rose syrup to our base, just like that, and add some tutti frutti in it, about half of 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. There are no exact measurements for making these flavors, it's really a ballpark, so you can adjust per your liking. Here we have our rose flavored Shrikhand ready. Let's transfer it to the serving bowl. Enjoy the homemade rose Shrikhand. The third flavor I have is of chocolate, and for that I'm using some store-bought chocolate chips. We are going to melt the chocolate in a microwave, and to do that I have added about 2 teaspoons of milk and then just microwaved it to get this nice consistency. Add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of melted chocolate to the base and mix it well. Add more if needed and mix it well to get that fine consistency. Here we have our chocolate Shrikhand ready. Transfer it to a bowl. Especially for the little ones who love chocolate. Enjoy the homemade chocolate Shrikhand. The fourth is one of our traditional flavors. For that we need some cardamom powder and some saffron soaked in milk. So I've taken about 4 teaspoons of milk and added saffron to it. Add a pinch of cardamom powder. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of saffron soaked milk. So I have soaked it for about half an hour or so to get that nice yellow color. Mix it well. Mix it till you get a nice fine consistency. Now it's ready. Let's transfer it to a serving bowl. Enjoy the homemade Kesar Ilaichi Shrikhand. The fifth flavor I have is the blueberry Shrikhand, and for that I'm using homemade blueberry jam. So just add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of blueberry jam to the base and mix it really well. Consistency for Shrikhand needs to be really fine, so while mixing, make sure that there are no lumps. Let's transfer it to the serving bowl. Enjoy the homemade blueberry Shrikhand. The sixth flavor I have is the strawberries. So for that I'm using some homemade strawberry jam, and I have added about 2 to 3 teaspoons of strawberry jam to the base. Mix it really well. Transfer it to a serving bowl. Enjoy the homemade strawberry Shrikhand. The seventh flavor I have is of dates, and for that I have taken about 3 dates and added some milk to it and warmed it up in a microwave, and then just with the help of a spoon made a nice fine paste with it. So there are some chunks in there to give that nice flavor as you bite into it. Just mix it well with the base. Transfer it to a serving bowl. This date Shrikhand really turned out extremely good. Enjoy the homemade date Shrikhand. The last flavor I have is of dry fruits, and for that I have used some almond slices, some chopped pistachios and some chopped cashews. Just drop all of those in the vase. Mix them really well. Here is our dry fruits Shrikhand ready. Let's transfer it to a serving bowl. Enjoy the homemade dry fruits Shrikhand. Here I am decorating each of the flavors. So on Kesar Ilaichi I have added some saffron strands. On the mango flavored Shrikhand I am adding some fresh mango. On the chocolate flavored I have added a chocolate chip cookie. On the dry fruits Shrikhand, I am just adding some chopped pistachios to kind of balance that color. For the strawberry jam, I'm adding a cracker. For the dates Shrikhand, I'm adding some fresh dates. For the blueberry one, I'm adding some fresh blueberries. And for the rose syrup one, I'm adding some tutti frutti or the dry fruits. Definitely give them a try. They all turned out extremely good. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.